Hello, and welcome to our video about the best email plugin for WordPress. We know that email is a vital part of any online business, and we also know that WordPress is the most popular website platform in the world. So we wanted to put together a video to show you the best email plugin for WordPress and how it can help you streamline your business communications. The plugin we recommend is called Fluent SMTP, and as you can see, it scored very well in the mailtester.com test. The other plugin we tested was WP Mail SMT, and it did not score nearly as well. Now let's go ahead and install this plugin using WP Winning. Let's set up a new WordPress so we can see how it works from scratch. Let's go into the admin panel and install the plugin Fluent SMTP. This one here. Activate it. And the next thing we're going to do is to test the email. Go into settings and then Fluent SMTP. I'm going to use SendGrid. Set the from email. This is the same settings that you used when you set up a SendGrid account. And paste in your API key, then hit save connection settings. Now we are going to do an email test. So click on the email test tab. And now we want to go to Mail Tester and copy the link that it gives you to do the test. I'm going to go from hello to a Mail Tester account and then send the test email. Now we'll go back to Mail Tester and check the score. As you can see, we have received a near perfect score. This is a lot different to using the WP Mail SMTP, which is very popular, but nowhere near as good at actually sending emails. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next WordPress tutorial video.